Today we're going to take a look at these flap discs that VEVOR sent over and compensated us for this video. Here I am back in the shop with my dad, and I asked him to give a quick review or his thoughts on these flap discs from VEVOR. It's the 40 grit flap disc, and they are definitely fast and efficient for grinding. They're made with tough, wear-resistant zirconia, so these discs last longer and hold up to heavy use without falling apart. They have a grinding speed of about 13,000 RPM, so you get smooth, precise results while cutting through rust, welds like you see here, and rough edges with pure ease. The bevel design allows for flexible grinding at angles from about 5 degrees to about 15 degrees, making it perfect for flat, curved, and contoured surfaces. These 4.5-inch flap discs fit most 4.5-inch and 5-inch angle grinders, including like your big name brands. So whether you're deburring metal, smoothing out wood, or removing rust, these flap discs are built for the job. They get the job done faster, smoother, and more efficiently. They do come in a 10-pack, and my dad said he would definitely recommend them.